My name is Karla Neves, and I'm a nurse by formation and have done my master's and PhD at the University of São Paulo in Brazil, investigating the role of adipose tissue-derived factors in the vascular dysfunction observed in cardiovascular and also metabolic diseases. In 2016, I moved to Glasgow to start my postdoctoral training with Professor Ian Towes at the University of Glasgow, again working on vascular biology, but now in hypertension. And this year, I was appointed as a lecturer in SIBS at the University of Strathclyde in Glasgow, where I have started my independent research group here. So during my postdoctoral training, I developed interest in the cardiovascular oncology field. And our aim back there was to understand molecular and vascular mechanisms underlying the increase in blood pressure or hypertension development observed in cancer patients treated with a class of anti-cancer drugs known as VEGF inhibitors. And our studies were mainly focused on the role of oxidative stress and also extracellular vesicles, which are very important players in cell communication. And our studies, they have a major significance because around 6 to 8% of patients treated with these VEGF inhibitors, they show changes in blood pressure and other cardiovascular adverse effects, which very often lead to dose reduction or even treatment withdrawal. And this is not really specific to VEGF inhibitors, but also to other anti-cancer drugs. And several studies have shown that these cardiovascular side effects, they are very important and in various types of cancer therapies. And unfortunately, the exact mechanisms underlying these effects in these cardiovascular side effects are not completely elucidated. And so that's the main aim of my research group. So, and more recently, some new combination strategies, such as the combination with using VEGF inhibitors with PARP inhibitors and also VEGF inhibitors and immunotherapies have been showing very, very promising anti-tumor effects. And again, their impact in the cardiovascular system still needs further investigation. And therefore, our aim is to understand how these new therapeutic strategies affect the cardiovascular system. My expertise is in vascular biology, but I also now want to expand these studies to cardiac function and also understand the metabolic profile of these patients. And we hope to bring some new mechanistic insights to prevent and treat these cardiovascular toxicities associated with anti-cancer drugs. And so in SIBS, as I mentioned, I just started in SIBS, and in SIBS, I will be able to increase my network and also explore some new sites, new aspects of my research, and collaborate with some experts in the field. For example, I want to expand my studies to understand better the metabolic profile of these cancer patients, but also investigate deeper the role of small vesicles released when cells are under injury or damage. And in SIBS, I will be able to collaborate and take advantage of the experts in the field. So, and in terms of our long-term goals, we hope to impact on better outcomes and improved survival in cancer patients, because the need to stop anti-cancer therapies due to cardiovascular effects or side effects will be avoided, and aiming so together with clinicians and also clinicians across the hospitals, we are gonna strengthen a multidisciplinary approach in a multidisciplinary team aiming to improve therapeutic management for oncology patients while treating associated cardiovascular toxicities.